Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to fix Adobe Acrobat failed to load its core DLL error. So, let's dive into it. First, tap on the Start button and type Add or Remove Program. Next, find Adobe Acrobat. Tap on the three dots next to it and tap Modify. In the pop-up screen, click the Next button. Choose Repair and click Next. After that, click on Update. Wait for the completion. Once complete, launch the Adobe Acrobat software on your computer. Click on the Menu option and select the Preferences option. From the left menu, select Security Enhanced. Under Sandbox Protections, uncheck the Enable Protected Mode at Startup checkbox. In the dialog that appears, select Yes and then select OK. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.